Today we're making two cute squishy paper birds. We made a little cockatiel and a suspicious looking pigeon. The cockatiel feels cute and cheerful, while the pigeon looks like he silently judges everyone. We honestly can't decide which one is funnier, and yes, they're actually squishy. We used printed paper, stuffing fiber, tape, scissors, and a lot of patience. In this video, we'll show you how we made both birds step by step, and you can download the free printable PDF patterns in the description below. Let's start with the cockatiel first. First, we printed the cockatiel template on paper. To make the bird stronger and a little shiny, we laminated the printed pieces with clear tape. This also helps protect the paper while we squish it later. Now it's time to carefully cut all the pieces.
Something sweet, something new, all made by hand for you. Cut and fold.
Next, we started folding and assembling the bird shape. We used glue and tape to connect the pieces together little by little.
It grow from something small to beautiful, made with love, love, love. Every little touch, made with love, love, love. That's what makes it special. Open it up and you'll see a tiny piece of me, made with love, love, love. Just for you. Just for you.
We filled the bird with soft stuffing fiber to turn it into a squishy little paper plush. And here's the finished cockatiel. It looks like a cute desk pet. Also, the squish level was approved. Next, my daughter made the pigeon version. This one has completely different energy. The cockatiel looks sweet, but the pigeon looks like it knows everybody's secrets. Just like before, we followed the Esme steps of laminating, cutting, folding, and filling.
Cut it out, line it up, turning small ideas into love. Colors pop, feeling bright. DIY hits different tonight. Hands on paper, hard and it's simple things, but I don't quit. Modern craft, soft and smart. Every project feels like art, made it myself, step by step. Little mess, no regrets. Every day do I my way, create it cute, yeah, let it stay.
Finally, we added stuffing fiber inside to make it soft and squishy. This instantly transformed it from paper model into tiny emotional support pigeon. And then Hazelnut showed up to inspect the paper birds. She seemed very suspicious of the tiny imposters and immediately ran away. We hope you enjoyed crafting these squishy paper birds with us, and let us know in the comments which bird is your favorite, the cockatiel or the pigeon. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next craft video.
Turn